current device which is using in the project, in the in the in the in our project. So its power rating is 219. Of course there is no possibilities of the 6K LED can take 219 watt. It's just a dummy program, so that's why it's showing like that. You can see now 852 values, 1035 values, and it is showing too much of values. So it is due to the dummy program. We didn't use the actual device. If you see the in the actual device, it's gonna show like 3 watt or 4 watt or 5 watt kind of stuff. And so it's now and another thing is, this is we said that we can give the best replacement for the current device which you are using. So when if you want to do like that, means this all power rating and everything, voltage, current, everything, here you can down, you can see there is image it was given about this. How it happens, when the fibers start to run, the data what is sent, means the power rating is the currently running or not, the device is running or not, data will be sent to the home Ideator and also to the Excel sheet. This data, voltage, current and the power, also stored in the Excel sheet. This Excel sheet is stored because of the one reason. We need to calculate, means we need to see the how much days it will come, how much days, how much values it can give. So like collecting all the voltages and current and power and putting it to the algorithm. The algorithm is written in such a way that all the on and off condition will be neglected, and the faulty condition will be and be checked, and everything will be checked, and replacement will be ready. Once the replacement ready, it will be generate one of the, it will create a website direction, means it will create one of the direction line, which will you can which if you click on the replacement button, you can see they're telling that compared to Cisco LED, this Philips light is better. So this was generated, and when you click on the when you click on the replacement button, it will directly show to the which website will get this LED and how much cost it is, everything will be shown through by clicking one press. It will direct you directly to the respective websites. So and this was the process was taking place. The process was simple, like there is like every evaluation will be taken place in the algorithm. Okay, this is the algorithm, how it actually evaluates the device. Like when the device is stored in the Excel sheet, only the ratings will be stored at the beginning: voltage, current and power rating. It The voltage and current and power rating is collected to the Excel sheet with respect to the 2 minutes. We kept for 15 minutes. Each 15 minutes it is going to collect the voltage, current and power rating, and it is going to store it in each cells of the Excel sheet. And it's gonna continue for the and it will go on, means it's gonna do for continuously for a whole day and a whole year also, and a whole whole the till the date of the devices, means till that the device which we are installed will get damaged. Till that day it's gonna collect the informations like voltage, current and power itself. Once it collects all the rating, it is going to come to know, means the device cannot understand how many days it was came. So and it also cannot understand how means how you can predict actually, because now you can see, you can tell in your actually you can tell that the device worked for 1 year, device worked for 2 years. So this kind of prediction you're gonna do, means there is also some of the conditions like you won't use the device, means you won't turn on the device for daily per day. You won't turn off the device for 24 hours. You can say like you're gonna turn on the device for maximum per day. You will turn on for 18 or 19 hours, or sometimes even lesser, 16 hours possibilities, because you're gonna turn off the light for light at the when you're sleeping, and you won't turn on the light on the morning time, and like kind of stuff. So this kind of data also will be collected in the database by using the voltage sensor and the current sensors. So there is some of the like there is also values like there will be possibilities of the non-zero values will also come. Non-zero voltage, current and power values will also come, and also zero values also come. Zero values comes due to the when you are not using that device on the current day. On that time the database also gets the zero value. So there is a collection. There is also also collects the zero values. So this zero values as doesn't do anything in the algorithm. So that's why at the beginning the algorithm will remove all the zeros which are came, means which all those like the unwanted values like zeros came, right, uh, when you are not using the device, the data which was collected, all those data will be removed. So because they are not used for the calculation, so at the beginning all the turned off condition data will be removed. And after removing all the turned off condition, there is also presence of the timestamp for the each data. Means the timestamp is nothing but the data is which when was collected. It's at particular day and time. This will be collected, and also the fault occurred time is the day of the death of the devices. Means when the device gets spoiled, on the time there will be some of the you must know when was the device was get damaged. So on that time, what was the consumption was taken place, what was the main reason. So this also will be evaluated on the particular time. So that's why the fault occurred time data also required. So and after correcting the fault occurred time, means after the collecting all the data, you're gonna remove the turned off condition, and also find the fault occur time. And after finding the fault occur time, you're gonna come to know when was the day, means how many days, how many hours does this device was run, because we use the timestamp. The timestamp evaluation will be taken place. The timestamp, all the timestamp data will be totaled here. And when that all the timestamp data will when that all the timestamp data is totaled, on the time you will get the how many days it was run. There is possibilities like the 2000 days it was run, and there is also possibility that 1500 days it was running. Like kind of stuff you will come to know by using only these two conditions. These two conditions will be evaluated in our algorithm. So and also after there is like now you think I gave an example from the 6K LED is better than Philips light is better than 6K LED, isn't it? Now there is also possibilities like 6K LED also used in different home, not in a single home. If I take only from single home, means there is no use. So I must collect the data from the different home also. Now in my home I'm using the 6K LED, and in another my neighbor house is also using the 6K LED. And my 6K LED bulb was came for only for 3 years, and my neighbor's home it came for nearly, but still is running. So there is also possibility, some of the chances like there is also the device can run in some of the some of the other places also. So you must you must cannot get the you cannot be fixed with the single device, single home device. So this device also collects the data from the other home devices, which are who are currently using the devices, not for the from the all the people who are not using the devices. I means home ideator device. So the people who are actually using the home ideator device, and whether they are using the Cisco LED, on the time the data also collected, the data also collected, and on that time it gonna compare whether how many days this LED was came. Let us assume it as 3 days, 3 years, okay. And another LED which I'm using Cisco LED was I'm using was came for 2.5 years, okay. Now it gonna make an average means it will give randomly up to 2.5 years to 3 years it can come. Till that it will come. If there is any more than two people are there, means on the time the average will be average will be taken place. How many years it will how many years will be, it will come and evaluated. So this evaluation will be taken place when when there is lot of houses are using the same LED light. On the time this comparison will be taken place. On this time there is also possibilities of the credit giving, means they're going to check whether it is same condition or not. It's going to check and everything will be done, and the credit will be given. And another thing is the device total power consumption. This is required only to check whether the power consumption is running in a proper condition or not. The power consumption values will be taken just to get how much power was consumed, because the power consumption values we are using just to we thought about is for the future reference, means we are also planning to give the actual cost you're going to lose if you use the normal LED light, which it gonna evaluate and tell you that actual money you're gonna lose if you use this light. And also if you use other lights which the replacement which was suggested by our home ideator, if you use this light, how you can save. This kind of stuff we plan to use the device total power consumption calculation. So and also there's like power rating, also that open circuit and short circuit conditions also evaluated during these conditions. Because when there is an open circuit, there is a possible there is no power, there is no current will flow in the open circuit conditions. And during the short circuit there is like a huge current will flow on that condition. So this also evaluated in our algorithm, and later the credits will be started, means it's gonna compare with the other devices also. Means now this whole thing will be done in the Cisco LED now, and this also whole process, all the condition checking will be taken place even in the Philips lights also, and Anchor and all those lights. This all the process will be checked again and again, and later it's gonna start to give a price, like it's gonna start to give the rank to the each devices. Means now whether the Cisco LED is better than the Philips, whether Philips is better than Cisco LED, whether Philips is better than Anchor. Now it start to give the ranking. When the ranking was generated, on that time the ranking will be generated. On that time it will find out where the devices will get, means where in which websites you can get. So it's gonna find out the website link and it will directly send to the application. So in that application you can see there is like a link, there is like a replacement, there is a small box like structure which has a written with the image and the replacement symbol, replacement name on it. That's actually a button. If you press on that, means it will direct you to the website, particular website which you will get, you can buy this product. So this was the our project, and we almost completed. No, we almost completed, but we are telling it as almost because of the only one reason, because of the didn't get to touch our devices. It's like 2 months now we are unable to work on the project, so almost is completed. Now we are just want to use the device to our algorithm and check it out whether it's working properly or not. So that's it. Thank you.